And now we're going to do a couple of really good hip openers and also arm strengthening asanas. So we're going to do Parivrtta, Suya, Yantrasana, which is called sundial or compass pose. So you're going to really look like a sundial when you do this asana. We're also going to do Hasta Bhujasana, which is elephant trunk. So to start off with, Liz is going to go ahead and take her left foot and she's going to slowly bring it over her left shoulder. She's going to bring her left hand down on the floor and she's going to really put a little bit of her leg on the back of the tricep muscle of the left arm. And notice how the right hand is on the outer blade of the left foot. Very important because that's going to help you really lengthen that left leg as she comes up. So she's going to straighten that left leg up and she's going to make herself just look like a sundial. Just like a sundial. Good. And then from here, she can take it into that elephant trunk pose by just dropping that left leg over the left shoulder, bringing the left hand down, bringing the right hand down, extending the right leg, and just lifting up and coming up just for a moment. And there you go, elephant trunk.